Today I am going to reveal the prompts and how to make these videos, anime live action behind the scene videos. But guys, listen to me, I have grown up to 50k followers in Instagram within like 70 days, and I have monetized 2 AI channels in YouTube. One thing I know for sure is that it's not about the prompt, it's not about copying and pasting, so I don't see why people don't really reveal the prompts to people, because one day or the other it's eventually gonna be revealed by somebody, because there are so many great prompt engineers who can get the prompts just like this. So holding on to the prompt, I don't think there is any reason for that, because what really matters as a content creator is how to shift and create your own unique videos and communicating with the viewers with your special identity. That is the essential of the content creating. It's not about the prompt, it's not about copying and pasting. Whoever says it's easy, fast, just copy and paste, use the trending templates and tell you you need to take paid courses, please, there is a high chance that guy is a guru, a scam, because that is not the essential of successful growing creator. The essential of growing and monetizing as a creator, you're not gonna like the truth. It is hard work, consistency, finding out the trend, moving quickly, and creating your own identity. So please, please, please don't listen to those copy me, it is fast, easy, just do as I tell you kind of videos. Please, it is gonna ruin you. You are gonna ride the wrecking ship along with all the other people who listened to that course, except the course seller who's gonna cash out all your course paid money. Of course, not all course sellers are bad, but there are a lot. Please. Alright, so enough said. Let's dive in right away.
Free credit giveaway to 99 people thanks to Thank You AI. Just type in Thank You Deals in the invitation code. The account must be a new account to claim the credits. And just a quick introduction on how I made these characters in my voice with natural movements. In Thank You AI, go to image and type in this prompt right here and create an image of a live streamer, and then go to video, motion sync, upload your 10-second video of yourself talking, then drop down the character image, and for the prompt just type in this prompt right here, and voila, that's it. So now we want to create these behind the scene videos. Just follow along with me if you are not used to AI tools or computer. Steps are going to be as the following: create models, place them in a scene, then generate the final video. Like I always say, the steps actually are really simple. So first, let's go and create the image for the character. Let's go to the image, bring the Tatsumaki's anime image that you found in Google and drop it down here. Few tips here. Find a clean image where the character's features are clearly visible so that the AI can analyze it thoroughly. And plus, when you type in the prompts, you can copy and paste my prompts, which are all going to be listed in my website, but it is best to tell the character's feature one more time so that the AI can analyze the image along with the given information from your prompt, which will make the image more accurate. And if there is a trait that you want to emphasize, type that feature as well. So do the same for Saitama. I will leave all the prompts in my website. So now we got 2 good images. Alright, now step 2, we want to create the scene. We want to use ChatGPT image 2 as well here and set the correct ratio 9:16 so you don't waste your credit. And here I wanted to create the scene and the video to look exactly like the former creator's video in order to prove to the audience my skills so that people will trust my prompts and my skills. If I were to just create similar videos, people might think I just mimicked the prompt to create the video, so I had to make it look almost exactly the same so that the people would think that the prompt I use actually work. So the purpose was just to earn trust, not to copy the original creator's work. So I just wanted to make that clear and get that out of the way. And by the way, the video was created by Nabili Dosu and Pablo Prompt. Shouts out to them. Thanks for the great inspiration. So to create the scene image, drop down all the characters you have created. I've put my photo as well because I wanted to get involved in the scene. Copy and paste the prompt that I wrote, and you can erase the part where I wrote details of my own character from the prompt, or modify it so you can be involved in it too, or replace with any other situation or characters. Now hit generate and get the photo. Now for the final step, generating the video. Click and go to video. We're gonna use Seedance. Click the first frame, which is gonna use the starting frame. Drop down the scene image that you've created. Copy the prompt that I gave you and paste it here and modify the details, and always check the settings of the ratio and the duration time, and always have a habit of reading the prompt once. I do it too. It really helps you grow as a creator and get better at prompting. And you get the video. But one thing here, when you generate these anime real live action videos, you might get rejected results for the copyright issues. Try it multiple times here. As you can see, I've failed multiple times. It will go through eventually, but if not, change the image or change the prompt to get past through the restrictions. Sometimes you will never be able to get past through the restrictions, so then in that case you have to change the whole prompt or change the whole image. So now let's compare the original videos and my videos.
この世界は俺が支配する。どんな気球人も俺の前には立てん。
Are you okay?
Alright, so it came out pretty similar to the original videos, right? But I bet you probably wonder, how am I able to create these images and video prompts so accurately from the original videos, right? Well, that part is going to be in a separate long tutorial because it is a bit difficult and it takes a lot of patience, money, and time. So those of you who are serious about getting into this industry, you can check out the video when it comes out. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching and go get your free credits from Thank You AI. Cheers.
Thank you for watching David's AI Mastery.